Hello and welcome to this video from Impel CRM. This video illustrates the basic functionalities a sales personnel can perform using Impel Salesforce Automation module. The Impel SFA module comprises of 5 main CRM entities or building blocks such as leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and activities. Let us see how easy it is for a sales personnel to add each of these CRM entities. Let's take leads first. How we can add leads. Click on the lead tab. There are various ways through which a lead can come into the CRM system. It could be through uploads, which could be a bulk uploads. It could come through marketing campaigns, or it could come through your web to lead forms from your website, or you can add leads directly into the CRM system using the add lead option. Click on the add lead option. You get the add lead screen comes up, so you can fill in the required details or the basic details that you know about the particular lead, be it in terms of the person or the company details or the kind of opportunity that you have, and the kind of addresses, the company addresses that you know, or whatever. Contact first name is a mandatory field so that it can track the lead in terms of a person's name. So you can add leads by keying in the details. So it is as simple as that, as adding a lead. For example, okay, let me add a lead. VP of Sales, it's gonna be Mr. Then put key in the details. Okay, Mr. Subramaniam, and his last name is Iyer. Then he's from the Department of Sales. Whatever details you know, just add those details and click add. Once you click on the add option, the lead gets added into the system. So you can still add leads through various options, be it in terms of mass bulk upload, or it can come into the system using the web to lead forms, or it is through a simple lead. So the lead Subramaniam Iyer is added into the lead list, and it comes into my lead page. It is as simple as adding through a single click. You come up with the kind of details, and you can also perform some various activities on them, on the leads. These are nothing but the contextual menus, which gives you options to view those leads, edit leads, add appointments, whatever activities or the kind of actions you want to perform, be it in kind of demos, trainings. All this can be tracked here. You can convert this lead once you know that it is a potential opportunity for you, so you can convert it into the opportunity the next stage, or you can either deactivate, assign, and you can even see the history of the leads. These are the various kind of actions that can be performed on the lead entity. Similarly, we can add contacts, adding contacts into the system, and you can even add opportunities. Similarly, you can add contacts, you can add their the first name, the last name, the kind of details that you know in terms of their designation, their department, various all these fields can be configured based on the preferences that you have. These are the kind of fields that my business needs, and these are my specific preferences. Any changes in the terms of this field or the kind of fields that you want to track here can be performed using the layouts. You can even add an opportunity directly by clicking on the add opportunity option. If not, you can even they can directly come into your opportunity funnels once a particular lead has been converted into the next stage, that is the opportunity stage. So you can, these are the way you can perform basic activities a sales personnel can perform using Impel Salesforce Automation module, where you can add leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities. The another thing that I want to show in this particular video is the activities in Impel. Any actions or appointments such as phone calls, meetings, trainings, it can even be product demos. All these kind of actions which a sales personnel performs are captured as activities in Impel for that particular sales personnel. So any kind of activities you do in terms of any lead updation accounts, or you're meeting a particular contact, or you're doing some negotiations on the existing opportunities, any of your day-to-day activities and actions are captured in the form of activities in Impel. So you can add activities by clicking on the add activity option. So you can update the activity. Say for example, you had a meeting with a particular customer, say meeting with any of the meeting with customer Iyer Industries, let's put that, because we just added them as right. You will key in the notes or the conversations that took place, or the main takeaways of this particular meeting. You can click on Iyer Industries, then the opportunity, if you know what was the opportunity, or the contact, Mr. Iyer, Subramaniam Iyer. Another important thing that you can do using the activity module in Impel is you can set up a follow-up activity. Today this was a kind of meeting conversations that took place. Maybe during the meeting you have said to your prospect or your customer or your lead or anything that you're going to come back to them, might be 10 days from now, 15 days from now, whatever. So you can capture all those activities as follow-up activities or follow-up reminders, where basically you can set a reminder for yourself or for your team members on this particular activity that is to be happened. So might be you need to call him back, so need to call back, and what is the select a date, when are you supposed to call them back. Okay, you're supposed to call them back on the Saturday. At what time you're going to call them back? Maybe it is around say 12 o'clock in the afternoon. How many minutes before you're supposed to get a reminder for yourself? So it's going to be some 15 minutes earlier. What is the kind of activity that I'm supposed to do? A call. It's going to be a call, phone call. So you just put phone and add this activity. So this particular activity gets into the list of your appointments or activities which gets tracked here, and a reminder is as well set up. So on the 29th of October 11:45 you will get a reminder stating that you're supposed to call Mr. Subramaniam Iyer. So it's a very productive way wherein you get reminders about the kind of activities you're supposed to perform, when you don't miss out on any kind of your actionables on that particular prospects or leads or opportunities. So the Impel SFA module provides you various kind of features and empowerments which you can perform to make a fruitful sale. So that was the basic functions that a sales personnel can perform using Impel SFA module. Thank you.